Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a stamp set called Pansy Patch. I am just finishing the final touches on my Pansy Patch online class, as this stamp set comes with dies in a bundle, so there's a savings. I have the link in the description box below, and as of May 4th, 2021, you will be able to register for this class. I would love for you to register, as the card designs I've created with this bundle are very special. For today's card design, however, I have kept it very simple. I have 3 ink colors here. I'm inking up the pansy itself with balmy blue. Then the pansy's beard, I am going to stamp with Night of Navy, which is a really dark blue. We almost consider it a neutral because it is interchangeable with black. And Mango Melody for the pansy's nose. So it's a nice bright nose for this guy. I'm going in with my watercolor pencils. Now, if you don't have watercolor pencils, you could use your pencil crayons or colored pencils. What I'm doing is I'm just darkening the edges. So I want to create a little bit of dimension, and I didn't want to layer the stamps that are in the stamp set. I just wanted it to be really simple. So this is pretty simple. You're not doing too much. You're stamping, and then you're just going around the outline a little bit with, I think this one was balmy blue. So it's got a nice similar color to the ink. Well, the ink was balmy blue too, but you never know with watercolor pencils, they might be a little bit off in tone, but these were perfect. And I'm not going to activate that at all. So I have put a little mask here. I used the Inkadinkadoo stamping mask paper. I got it at my local art store. However, you could use a Post-it note or a piece of paper even, or just stamp on a little bit of tape and, masking tape, and cut it out to the shape of your image. And this happens to be a pansy. And now I'm using 2 inks. I used the Soft Succulent for the base, and Evening Evergreen for the lines. Now I'm coming in with Memento Tuxedo Black ink for my sentiment. And I just wanted to mention that the Evening Evergreen and Soft Succulent colors are new in colors. I have matted that with a piece of black card, and then I have put dimensional adhesive on the back, and I have attached this to a Whisper White top folding card, or like a tent fold, I've heard people call it. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.